Waterfront view you've dreamed about. Almost an acre with 130 feet deep water frontage in the Colonies on the Diascund Creek looking into the Chickahominy River. Custom built for the views. Brick home with open floor plan, first floor master and in-law suite with a kitchen. Many recent updates and so many extras. Hardwood floors, new paint inside and out, new lights throughout, new kitchen appliances and cooktop hood, updated master bath with new frameless shower enclosure, new countertop, sink and faucets, new carpet in guest room. 4 BRS, including oversized bonus room, great room with gas fireplace, dining room, eat-in kitchen and first floor office. Enclosed porch, huge, additional room on first floor for laundry and playroom, pet room or homeschooling, central vac, security system, reverse osmosis water purifier and water softener.